People who have earned an audience by creating amazing video content on YouTube are today's self-made celebrities. And honestly, who doesn't want to be a YouTube star today? Making money on YouTube might not be your reason for starting a channel, but money can come alongside your quest. The opportunities to earn from YouTube are a pleasant surprise once you realize how many creative ways there are to make money on YouTube. And yes, today I will tell you about 7 creative ways from which you can get your income flowing from YouTube. As always, bonus tips are waiting for you at the end, so stay tuned. And without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Join the YouTube Partner Program. The first revenue stream for you to explore is ads. Joining the YouTube Partner Program and setting up monetization is a vital step in your YouTube journey. You can apply for monetization once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past year. Also, you have to agree to follow YouTube's monetization policies and live in a country or region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. Sign into the YouTube account you want to monetize and click the icon for your account in the top right corner. Click on YouTube Studio and select Monetization and Other Features in the left menu. Read and agree to the terms and eligibility requirements. Then create a new Google AdSense account or connect an existing one to your channel and set your monetization preferences. Then head back to the dashboard, click the Analytics tab on the left side, and see monthly estimated revenue to get an idea of your predicted YouTube revenue. Remember that content creators aren't paid by YouTube for the videos they upload. Neither video is monetized by default. To start making money on YouTube, you must enable monetization in your YouTube account settings and join the YouTube Partner Program. There's another way for you to earn, and that's YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium is a paid membership program that lets viewers watch and support content creators without ads. The revenue earned from YouTube Premium subscribers is a secondary revenue stream in addition to what you already earn through ads. Number 2. Sell products or merchandise. There are plenty of things to sell that can help you make money through your YouTube channel. Selling merchandise, like t-shirts, coffee mugs, tote bags, and snapbacks, has a benefit beyond revenue. Merchandise increases your exposure by putting your online brand out and deepens the relationship between you and your fans. Selling merch is easier than it might seem at first. You can order affordable designs tailored for your products using freelance sites such as Fiverr or Upwork. You can integrate your store with services such as Deezers to take care of shipping, fulfillment, and customer support, letting you reap all of the benefits with less effort on your part. You can also manufacture and sell your own unique products and power your business through your YouTube channel. As a YouTuber with an audience, you'll have 2 advantages from the start that other store owners. You'll get traffic to your store and your audience's trust. Number 3. Crowdfund your next creative project. Crowdfunding is an excellent way to make it happen when money is all that stands between an idea and its execution. If your idea is compelling enough, you can call the crowdfunding community to pitch in, whether you need help buying better equipment, hiring actors, or covering other production costs. Many successful crowdfunded projects offer a sneak peek that excites people, so consider shooting a video explaining your project. Popular crowdfunding sites with a proven track record of campaigns from YouTubers include Kickstarter and Indiegogo. Number 4. Your audience can support you through fan funding. Like crowdfunding, you can also set up fan funding to source donations from your audience. As a creator, if you're offering good content, your audience might be inclined to support you on an ongoing basis. Many fan funding platforms give creators another place for people to discover their content. This is a way to engage their most loyal audience and reward them for their support. If you choose the crowdfunding route, make sure to follow a couple of best practices. Create transparency around how the money will be spent, as that will get your fan base invested in your story, and they will literally buy into the value of your content. Also, offer enticing rewards because the more you can make donors feel like they're getting something exclusive for being a loyal fan, the more likely you are to get donations and higher pledges. Some popular fan funding options are YouTube's Super Chat, channel memberships, Patreon, Typee, and Buy Me a Coffee. Before I tell you about the following method to make money on YouTube, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. On to the following way. Number 5. License your content to the media. By the stroke of luck, if you create a viral video with mass appeal, you can license your content in exchange for money. It doesn't only have to be viral videos online that you share with them, you can also share timely footage that they deem newsworthy. TV news outlets, online news sites, morning shows, and other creators can reach out about the rights to use your videos if they go viral. You can also list your videos in a marketplace where your content will be more accessible for media houses to find and purchase. If you have any viral video content that media outlets might be interested in, make sure they are easy to find by including a business email in a prominent place on your channel profile and your description sections. Number 6. Work with brands as an influencer. Nowadays, brands are investing more and more in influencer marketing and sponsorships. They're typically spending large advertising budgets on influencers who've already won the loyalty of their audiences, and this creates a massive opportunity if you can negotiate the right deals. According to WebFX, the possible prices for influencer marketing on YouTube are $200 per video with 10,000 subscribers, $2,000 per video with 100,000 subscribers, and $20,000 per video for a YouTuber with 1 million subscribers. When doing brand-sponsored content, the key is to be transparent about it, not endorsing anything you don't like, and being upfront with your audience about why you're doing it. You can add your channel to crowd tap and Upfluence to get discovered by brands, both big and small. Some influencer marketplaces offer free products, while others are known for having big brands which are willing to pay more. You can capitalize on the opportunities that best suit your needs. You should list yourself in as many places as possible to ensure maximum visibility for your channel. Number 7. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing means earning a commission by promoting a product or service made by another brand. You can become an affiliate marketer for brands, product placements, endorsements, and other types of content, but you must disclose the partnerships to viewers in your videos. This will work really well for you if you review products as part of your YouTube channel. Since there's no risk involved on the brand's end, there's usually a low bar to getting started. Popular affiliate programs include ClickBank and Amazon's affiliate network. You can also reach out to brands in your niche that are running their own affiliate programs to be a part of them. Now on to the bonus tips. Always ensure your promotions don't sabotage the integrity of your high-quality content. Understand your audience on YouTube, because you'll only be able to take full advantage of your opportunities if you understand your audience's makeup. Pay close attention to gender, age, and geographic location to choose better products for promotion. Promote your offer on platforms other than YouTube. Just because your content is hosted on YouTube doesn't mean you shouldn't be taking advantage of all the different social media platforms. You can spread the word about new campaigns or discounts on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and any other profiles you own. Because the more places your message goes, the greater the chance it'll be seen. So it's always a good idea to grow your following beyond YouTube with social media marketing. Add links in your video descriptions. If you want to focus on generating revenue as an affiliate marketer, then put links in your video descriptions to make money via YouTube audiences. And if you are creating videos about your own products or you own or manage an online store, you can incentivize new customers to buy your products with some promotions or discounts by using the link in your description. That's all for today, guys. All you need to do now is start your YouTube journey, build your audience, and implement these ways to make good money. What are your opinions about these YouTube monetization strategies? Let me know in the comments section below. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos on making money. Until next time.